Namaste friends, welcome to Pavit Tech Zone. In this video, we are going to learn how to set the splash screen to our Android app. So whenever we open our app, first our splash screen should be displayed and then it should take us to the main activity. So today we will see how to set the splash screen. So let's get started. Open your Android Studio and create a new activity for splash. Go to Java, new activity, then empty activity. So give the name as splash and click on launcher activity, then give a finish. So in splash activity we are going to call the handler function to handle our splash activity. So new handler post delayed runnable. So in run function we are going to call the intent equals to new intent splash dot this. So we are going to move from splash activity to main activity. So main activity dot class semicolon, then start activity intent, then finish and give the semicolon, and here we are going to pass the seconds for how many seconds our splash screen should wait in the screen. So give it as I will give it as 2000 milliseconds. So now we have written code for our splash activity. So go to activity splash, click on split. So here background. So I am going to use this image for my splash screen. So this image for my splash screen. So copy that image, copy, go to Android Studio, go to resources, drawable, click on right, so paste. So keep it as it is and click on OK. So as you can see, splash.png is displayed. So in background I am going to use my splash. So as you can see in the design, my splash screen image is being displayed. Now go to manifest folder, open your manifest.xml. So here we have two activities, main activity and splash activity. So we will remove the intent function of main activity and give it as false. And for splash activity there is the intent and exported as true. So now go to splash activity. So we have returned the code successfully to the splash activity. So now I will click on run button and see whether the splash screen image is been set or not. So I will click on run button. Gradle started building and launching on device. So you can see app has been successfully launched into a device, and now you can see our splash screen is being displayed. So it has been waited for 2 seconds and entered to the main activity, and hello world text is being displayed. So I will run it again. Click on run button. Gradle started building and launching on device. So as you can see, splash screen is displayed for 2 seconds and then it is entering to the main activity. This was all about today's video. If you are happy with my video, please give like to my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.